Hello and welcome along to the Vlieseline Sew Along. Soon we'll be making all of these lovely blocks to make this quilt, and today I'm going to talk to you about the supplies that we're going to need to make this quilt. There are 3 different types of blocks in this quilt. The first one is the centre block, and for that we'll be using our colour 1, which is our background colour. We'll be using a dark blue, which is our colour 2, and our mid blue, which is a colour 3. For the second set of blocks, we'll be also using our colour 1 background. We'll be using our colour 4 colour, which is a medium pink, and colour 5, which is a hot pink. For the third block, we'll be using our background colour 1 again, and our colour 6, which is a purple colour. The need to make this quilt top are as follows. For the background colour, you will need 3.5 metres or 3 3/4 yards. For colour 2, dark blue, you'll need a fat 1/8. For colour 3, the mid blue, you'll also need a fat 1/8. For colour 4, the mid pink, you'll need a fat 1/4. And for colour 5, the hot pink, you'll also need a fat 1/4. And for colour 6, the purple, you'll need 1/2 yard or 1/2 metre. You will also need 2 interfacing products from Vlieseline. The first one we'll be using is the Quilter's Grid, which looks like this, and you have some little lines on it. And you'll need 1.5 yards or metres of that. And then we'll also be using the quick screen triangle from Vlieseline, and you'll be needing 2 metres or 2 yards of that.